boy, check this place out. We're at the rainforest. Yeah. Oh, I see everything familiar. Hey, there's the king of the jungle. Whoa, look at all those choices. Pretty cool. Oh, how much is this one? I think I'll take this one. Homie, what are you doing up there? Are you sleeping? Alright, we got our table. Oh, now we got our menus. I see. Oh yeah, let's see what we got. We got our tigers right there. He's looking at me. Whoa! Guys, where are we at? We're dining at the rainforest, you know. Yeah, that's just how it is. What are we doing here? Just here to celebrate. It's almost a YouTuber's birthday. But who is exactly this guy? I wonder. Wow, this place is huge. I wonder.
Is that what you asked?
Look at homie. It looks awesome. I know. Boy, look at that! That's the biggest cha-cha I've ever seen. Is anybody? That's the new thing. Everybody's gonna get to drink out of this? Oh yeah. It's no good, Bob. No one can keep up with that monkey. Maybe when I was moving really fast, I kind of like swallowed a drum. So what are we gonna think about? I don't know. We animals have great time. I want to be in this. Elephant Trunk Orchestra. Look at that. Coconut shrimp. Hey! Well, do ignore those tigers in the background. Wow. What can I say? This looks great. Wow, it's like I'm really in a real jungle. But not exactly. Look at the fish. Yeah. What is? Whoa, what's happening right now? Wait, I don't know, you tell me! I don't know, you tell me! I don't know, you tell me! Remember that... Why is it... Is it raining? It's not really gonna rain, is it? Oh. Why is it raining in here? Why is it raining? Why is it raining in here? Why is it? It can't be. Okay, I think I can. Totally not. Well, why is it storming in here? Why is there a thunderstorm? I mean, it doesn't even. It can't rain inside. Can it? Can it? I think it can. Or not. Or maybe it can. Oh well. Did it stop? Yeah, wow, there's two of us. Hey, pachyderms. Oh, look, that's us. Hi to elephants. No bite if I do. Deep in the jungle. Homie! Say hi, you're on YouTube. You're on my videos. Right, okay, you can give me an answer later. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? You're on my vlog. Oh, okay. Oh, I wonder where Nemo is. You see Nemo? Wow. You see Nemo anywhere? Anybody? No, you haven't? Bubbles. Okay, can you tell me where's Nemo? Where's Dory? Where's... Okay, you're not gonna answer? Okay, you give me an answer later. There's Dory. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. What do? We swim. Oh, I love to swim when you want to swim you. Oh, see, I'm gonna get stuck now to that song. Now it's in my head. Sorry. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Bye-bye. Yo. Shake it up. Yeah, shake it up. Beat your chest. What? No. What the heck? Oh no, this can't be happening. Not again. Not again. No, this can't be happening. This can't be happening. Get off of me! Get off of me! God. You don't even know what you're celebrating. What are you celebrating? What's happening? What's happening? Why is it there? Ash! It's raining. It's raining in here. It's raining. Ah. Get off of me! What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Okay, then why are we freaking out? Don't freak out over there. Ah! Okay. Why am I so scared? Oh, we got the monkeys. Any minute? Okay, what luck? Why? Okay, it's gonna be so late with us not saying anything necessary. Like, we're not even talking the right normal way. Is it gone? Oh, good. It's gone. What the heck is going on? What? Can somebody? And there's the insult we're missing. You know, so you look like me. Thank you, guys. Ka-chow! All right.
Wait.
Thank you. Oh, wait.
Wait.
Okay. You. What happened? Wow, that was quite an entrance. All right. Yo. Look at you. Come on, give me a big smile. Look what we got from the gift shop earlier, you guys.
What?
Oh yeah.
You got another one?
No. And look, we even got a mug. How about that, huh? Yeah, this looks nice.